Let's take up properties of aromatic hydrocarbons. First, we take up physical properties. Aromatic hydrocarbons are non-polar molecules and usually they are colorless liquids or solids with a characteristic smell. You must be familiar with naphthalene balls which are used in toilets and for preservation of clothes because of unique smell of the compound and it is moth repellent property. Aromatic hydrocarbons do not mix with water, but they are readily soluble in organic solvents. They burn with sooty flame, that is smoky flame, because they contain high percentage of carbon. Next, we are taking electrophilic substitution reactions of benzene, which are most important. The first one we are taking nitration. A nitro group is introduced in benzene ring when benzene is heated with nitrating mixture, that is concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid at a particular temperature. Now temperature is very important in this reaction because if you increase the temperature, there will be two nitro groups. And if you further increase the temperature and use fuming nitric acid, we will get three nitro groups. So we have to maintain a particular temperature for getting nitrobenzene. So benzene we are reacting with concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid, which generate nitronium ion as a electrophile and which replaces H positive ion of benzene ring, results in the formation of nitrobenzene. This is electrophilic substitution reaction because NO2 positive is the electrophile which is attacking benzene ring. Next we are taking halogenation. Aromatic hydrocarbons react with halogens in the presence of Lewis acid like anhydrous ferrichloride FeCl3, FeBr3 or AlCl3 to form halobenzenes. For example, benzene reacts with chlorine in the presence of AlCl3 results in the formation of chlorobenzene plus HCl. Here what happens, AlCl3 takes up Cl negative to form AlCl4 negative. Cl positive is the electrophile which is generated and that replaces H positive from here and results in the formation of chlorobenzene. This is also electrophilic substitution reaction because it's carried out by electrophile that is Cl positive. Sulfonation. The replacement of the hydrogen atom by sulfonic acid group in the ring is called sulfonation. It's carried out by heating benzene with fuming sulfuric acid which is H2S2O7 also called oleum. This is benzene. We are reacting with fuming sulfuric acid. What is fuming sulfuric acid? Concentrated sulfuric acid. When we dissolve SO3 in concentrated sulfuric acid, we get fuming sulfuric acid. And it is stronger than concentrated sulfuric acid. On heating, SO3H group is attached to the benzene ring and this compound is called benzene sulfonic acid. And sodium salts of benzene sulfonic acids are used as detergents. So detergents are sodium or potassium salts of sulfonic acids of aromatic hydrocarbons or unsaturated hydrocarbons of the type alkene. Now the most important question arises, what is the electrophile in this reaction? Answer is SO3 is the electrophile in this reaction. Now although SO3 is neutral and does not look like electrophile, but sulfur is connected to double bond. Oxygen is more electronegative, so pi electron shifts to oxygen and sulfur becomes positive charge. That is the reason that SO3 acts as electrophile. Next we are taking Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. When benzene is reacted with alkyl halide in presence of AlCl3 which acts as Lewis acid, alkyl benzenes are obtained. For example, AlCl3 will take up Cl negative from here to form AlCl4 negative. CH3 positive will be the electrophile which will replace H positive ion from here, results in the formation of toluene which is also called methyl benzene plus HCl is formed. If you want to get ethyl benzene, we have to change the alkyl halides. Here we have to use C2H5Cl in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Again AlCl3 will take up Cl negative and C2H5 positive will replace H positive ion here and result in the formation of ethyl benzene. Now there is an important question that why do we get isopropyl benzene on treating benzene with 1-chloropropane instead of normal propyl benzene? The reason is that normal propyl chloride when react with AlCl3 it will form normal propyl carbonium ion. Normal propyl carbonium ion being primary carbonium ion is less stable. So rearrangement takes place by hydride shift and results in the formation of isopropyl carbonium ion or isopropyl carbocation, which attacks the benzene ring. Here CH3 that is isopropyl benzene is formed. So the reason for getting isopropyl benzene is that isopropyl carbocation, being secondary carbocation, is more stable than normal propyl carbocation. That's why we get isopropyl benzene on reaction of benzene with normal propyl chloride. Next, we are taking Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. The reaction of benzene with acyl halide, that is acetyl chloride or acetic anhydride, in presence of Lewis acid like AlCl3 gives acyl benzene. For example, benzene reacts with acetyl chloride, IUPAC name is ethanoyl chloride. In presence of anhydrous aluminium chloride, this anhydrous aluminium chloride takes up Cl negative and generates acyl carbonium ion or carbocation, which attacks from here. This carbon results in the formation of acetophenone. IUPAC name of acetophenone is phenylethanone. So H positive is replaced here, combines with Cl negative to form HCl. Instead of acetyl chloride, we can also use acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride in the same manner will generate acyl carbocation, which attacks the benzene ring, results in the formation of acetophenone. Side product is different, acetic acid. IUPAC name of acetic anhydride is ethanoic anhydride. Next, we are taking, if excess of electrophilic reagent is used, further substitution reaction may take place in which other hydrogen atoms of benzene ring may successively replaced by the electrophile. Let's take up an example. Benzene on treatment with excess of chlorine in presence of anhydrous aluminium chloride can be chlorinated to hexachlorobenzene. Here benzene is reacted with 6 moles of chlorine in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3. This reaction has to be carried out in dark. If you carry out this reaction in sunlight, then addition reaction takes place. All the 3 double bonds will be removed and you will get Cl, 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 here Cl here, 6 Cl at 6 positions, which is called hexachlorocyclohexane. But here substitution reaction is taking place because AlCl3 is present and AlCl3 will react with Cl negative to generate Cl as positive as an electrophile, which attacks on the 6 positions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 positions of benzene ring and result in the formation of hexachlorobenzene, C6Cl6. That is, all the hydrogen has been replaced by chlorine plus 6 HCl is formed.